Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating an account and granting essential permissions so the app can send messages and handle media. Once done, verify your phone or email with the 6-digit code. This prevents duplicate accounts and speed syncing. Make sure to set a clear display name and profile photo so contacts recognize you. Also adjust privacy options like last seen and read receipts now, because these choices affect how you appear and whether messages sync across devices. Now you start messaging. Tap New Chat, pick a contact or enter an address, and send a quick text to test delivery. Once connected, share photos, files, or record a voice note via the plus button. Compress large files when the app prompts to save bandwidth. Use it mentions in group chats to notify specific people and reply to individual messages to preserve context. These tools keep conversations organized and reduce confusion when multiple topics run at once. To complete setup, test voice and video calls using the call icon. Make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi or cellular connection since quality depends on bandwidth. Once satisfied, fine-tune notifications, backup frequency, and link other devices under settings so your chat history stays synchronized. If something goes wrong, like messages not sending, try toggling airplane mode, clearing the app cache, or restarting the app. These steps often resolve sync and connectivity issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.